Alright, we're going to look at translations, those slides that happen on a Cartesian coordinate plane. Alright, and we're also going to be looking at some notation. So, step one, we're going to record the vertices of this quadrilateral. So let's do that. And again, this paper is in your packet. So you need to get that out while we're doing that. So we could do that together. Pause, rewind, whatever you need to do on this video. Alright, so let's look at these ordered pairs, shall we? So it looks like A is at 1, 1. And put that in your chart. B, so over to -4, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. C is at 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then D is over, whoops, too far. Over to 4, up 2. Alright. So if you would please insert those into your chart. Alright, so we have our points listed in our chart. And then it says that we're going to trace this quadrilateral on a piece of patty paper or parchment paper. We're going to label those new points on that tracing paper, A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime, because we're going to move it. And they would like for us to translate the quadrilateral 5 units to the left by sliding the patty paper. So please go ahead and do that from the original. And then what's going to happen is we're going to list what happens to, or what those new ordered pairs would be for A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. So pause the video, go ahead and do that and write down where those points are now. And then you can come back and we'll check our answers. Alright, check your answers. So what we want to look at is, in general, what happens? So look at question 5. What happens to the x-coordinates under a horizontal translation? Because we move left and right, that's horizontally. So what happened? Did the x number change or did the y-coordinate change? The x-coordinate didn't. So the x-coordinate changes. If you look at the y-coordinate, what happened to it? Anything? Yeah, those stayed the same if you look from the orange compared to the purple. So, stayed same. Okay. What we can do, guys, is we can write a rule. So if we were to say any point, x comma y, and we wanted to describe what happened, we would say, well, we took the x-coordinate, we moved it 5 units to the left, so we subtracted 5, and the y stayed the same. So that would be the rule. And when I say x minus 5, if you look at the 1 and the -4, 1 minus 5 gave us -4, and that was true all the way through. Okay? Alright, so you're going to complete this little activity, hopefully with your partner, if you have not done so yet. And I will have some answers posted on the back wall next to our Learning Target sticker board, okay? So that you can check your answers as you need to. One other thing is number 8, you do not need to worry about perimeter and area. Okay, so you can mark, you can mark that little section out, okay? So when they ask you about perimeter and area, don't worry about that. What I do want you to realize is that the pre-image and the image are the same size and the same shape. And that's really all they're asking you there to understand. Okay, so they're the same size, same shape. We get congruent when pre-image and image when we do a translation.